Slendry, did you finish the HR budget blueprint for 2024?
Not yet. I'm stuck on some parameters.
But why you are so late?
Actually, I'm struggling to find out some important data. It's crucial to reach out the accurate analysis.
You know, it's so important. Please do it on priority base. I need to review it and send for approval.
Sure, sir. Oops, it's so difficult to find out.
Hello everyone, I know you are thinking the same as like Salindri. Even she doesn't know about the HR budget and planning. So no need to be worried. In this video, I will discuss all about the HR budget and its importance. Or how can you prepare the HR budget plan? So what are the necessary metrics are needed to prepare our HR budget? So you will get a clear understanding about it. Every company design an annually HR plan to direct the human resource department. In 2024, even it is additionally important to reflect the recent changes and promote HR strategic plan to take teams to the next level. While designing plan, make sure the company's mission and vision are revealed within annual HR plan for 2024. Objectives should be clear to achieving the company's goal. Establishing an HR budget plans helps to avoid the surprises and strengthen the company's workforce. For organizations facing uncertainty, prioritizing flexibility in the HR budget is essential. Once you are aware about the company's policies and strategies, it's easy to execute the budget plan. By starting, review the HR activities to predict the HR future. Budgeting simplifies the entire process by strategizing resources allocation to align the organizational objective. HR budget planning helps the HR department in various ways. It helps to know the upcoming future needs and managing the resources effectively in a generative and a fruitful way. It gives a clear idea which area has shortage of funds or which area not. It also provides an idea of spending excess amount of funding than required. Sometimes it helps the company to work on the loopholes and modify them to achieve the objectives. If you search on the internet, you will find the HR budget definition is very simple. It's a crucial component. Yes, it's a very important tool for an organization which helps to get sufficient capital for employee-related initiatives. And what are the employee-related initiatives? So it refers to those activities, programs, schemes, and different plan of actions executed by the organization to form a positive and fulfilled work environment where employees are ambitious, committed, and dynamically involved in their roles. It helps to cover the expenses of recruitment, hiring and firing, training and development, compensation and benefits, salaries, and much more in employee engagement activities. So, HR budgeting is all about deciding where the company money should go rather than just recording where it has been spent. Essentially, for planning expenses, assigning budget to different activities, and outlining the cost of for fiscal year. A well-made is vital for knowing the organization's financial needs and ensuring there to meet the HR goals. HR budgeting guides the future spending rather than past. HR budget is focused on the future spendings, not past. It helps in designing the clear expenditure structure. The HR budget plans how money will be spent in a year, focusing on employee rewards. It outlines what needs to be done and how much money is needed. But the question arises on which parameters funds allot, by using which HR metrics we can calculate it. So, in my next video, I will discuss the various HR metrics. This is for all today. Thank you so much for watching.